Mulai sekarang alangkah indahnya dan baiknya Mama kalau pagi sudah enggak bengok-bengok lagi. Mas apa nah, kalau sudah bakernya jamnya kering setengah 5 atau jam 5 bangun sendiri untuk sholat langsung ambil air wudhu ya. Ya, terus untuk belajarnya ya apa? Kadang-kadang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. This morning I will present my project. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Aina Nesa Nadira Putri Karaya. You can call me Aira. I am from 1 ICP1. Number absent 11. I am 7 years old. My hobby is reading and hiking. I live in Citra Sentosa Mandiri. The theme of my project is effort to strengthen communication towards an era of global diversity. Communication is an interaction between two or more people that is very necessary in everyday life. With our body, that is also active communication. Example, our hand will be able to move without orders from the brain to control a system in the body, regular position, and coordinate body movement. When moving, the human body needs balance. To train balance, we can do it by sport. In sport, there are national and international competitions. Example of national competition, the events are fun. International competition are the SEA Games. In communication, we need good competition between players who needs fair competition. In order for us to be fair, we must be able to think positively, as in mathematics. Absolute truth is that someone who thinks mathematically must think positively. Thank you.
And if your friend have different attitude,
Respect different body language joining friend.
okay, you can close.
Monggo Bapak Asma.
Baru dia sholat, kadang nggak sholat, habis itu dia
Langsung aja kan nggak mau
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Number absent 2. My hobby is drawing. I am 6 years old. I like to draw that time of my project is effort to strengthen communication towards an era of global diversity. Communication is an interaction between two or more people that is very necessary in everyday life. In our bodies, there is also active communication. Example, our hands will not be able to move without orders from the brain to control our system in the body, regulate oxygen, and coordinate body movement. Start. When moving, the human body needs balance. To gain balance, we can do it by start. In sports, there are national and international competitions. Examples of national competition events are fun. International competitions are the SEA Games. In the competition, we need the communication between players to get fair competition. In order for us to be fair, we must be able to think objectively. As in mathematics, absolute truth is that someone who thinks mathematically must think objectively. Example: Hannah's independent, introspective, trustworthy, concrete, able to communicate effectively. Language. In communicating, we need language skills. This language skill consists of speaking, listening, writing, and reading. When speaking, we must use language that is easy to understand, so that it is easy for us to influence and influence other people to work hard in goodness. Religion. Politeness in speaking and acting is necessary when communicating effectively, which has been explained in the Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat verse 30, meaning mankind indeed be created with compliment and awareness and make to internation and that so that we may know each other. Civic. To get to know each other, we have to understand each person's character. Because the Indonesian nation consists of various ethnicities and culture. The diversity of customs and culture does not make Indonesian society divided. Because Indonesian society is united by Pancasila, is united in diversity to reach the era of diversity. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. And the characters of different friends.
Introduce myself to our friends. Always respect our friends. Always love to friends.
Enough? Okay, thank you. Biasanya nih. Iya. Terus satu lagi kimia apa? Tidak tahu procesnya itu belum. Sering sampai seperti itu. Enggak. Aman gitu. Aman gitu.
Yang banyak di TikTok kan.
Tapi kan jadi generasi ya. Ini contohnya orang dewasa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
On this moment, I will present my project. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Abrisam Rasya Putra Radian. You can call me Rasya. I am from ICB 3, number absent 1. I am 7 years old. My hobby is swimming. I live in Royal Park Juanda, age 31. The theme of my project is Efforts to strengthen communication toward an era of global diversity. Definition. Communication is an interaction between two or more people that is very necessary in everyday life. In our bodies, there is also active communication. Example, our hand not be able to move without other from the brain to control all system in the body, regulate position and coordinate body movement. Sport. When moving the human body needs balance to strength balance, we can do it by sport in sport that are national and international competition. Example of national competition, effort outboard, international competition are the SEA Games. The communication between players to prefer competition. In order for us to be fair, we must be able to think objectively. As in mathematics, absolute truth is someone who thinks objectively. Example: honest, independent, introspective, trustworthy, concrete, and able to communicate effectively. Language. In communicating, we need language skills. These language skills consist of speaking, listening, writing, and reading. When speaking, we must use language that is easy to understand, so that it is easy for us to invite and influence other people to work hard in goodness. Religion. Politeness in speaking and acting is necessary when communicating effectively, which has been explained in the Al-Quran Surah Al-Hujurat verse 13. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nas, inna khalaqnakum min dzakari wa unsa wa ja'alnakum syu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Innallaha alimun khabir. Meaning, O mankind, indeed you from a man and a woman and made you into nation and tribe, so that you may know each other. Civic. To get to know each other, we have to understand each person's character. Because the Indonesian nation consists of various ethnicities and cultures, the diversity of custom and cultures does not make Indonesian society divided. Because the Indonesian society is united by Pancasila is united to reach the era of global diversity. Conclusion: we must do good communication in everywhere in order to create unity in diversity and global era. Okay, thank you for attention me. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
School.
Speaking with polite. Don't speak louder. Speaking in goodness. Don't making friends.
Okay, thank you. Give applause, Mas Rasha. Ya, mau ngambil temanya kan, yes ya. Terus begitu, kan kita selalu ingat kalau barangmu ada yang tumpang, yang nggak tumpang, ambil terus, iya kan? Iya kan? Meskipun tidak bersih, oke, masih kasih negara. Jadi kan dari sana aku jalan dari sebelah dari itu, jalan ke karena ini lama terus sudah banyak yang cari di kalau nggak ada. Tapi saya bosan dia pakai satu lagi. Iya, sebenarnya saya mau mikir siapa
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm here at Raja Sumaisa. My name is Nabila Askaira Gata Chandra. You can call me Kaira. I am 6 years old. I live at Tanjung Sidoarjo. I am from Nasuan, 24 of Minggu Puncak, Sidoarjo. I am from Nasuan, 24 of Minggu Puncak, Sidoarjo. I live at Tanjung Sidoarjo. I am 6 years old. I live at Tanjung Sidoarjo. I am from Nasuan, 24 of Minggu Puncak, Sidoarjo. I live at Tanjung Sidoarjo. I am 6 years old. I live at Tanjung Sidoarjo. 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 I live at Tan Communication is an interaction between two or more people. 1. That two can communicate limiting objectives because the absolute truth of someone who can think objectives like others, self-aware, introspective, concrete to be able effective communication effective. 2. Religion communication effective when it is polite in speaking and action. Polite in speaking and action was explained in Surah Az-Zariyat verse 49. It has meaning to get knowing each other in communication. So we should speak polite, respect, and listen other opinion. 3. Language in communication. We need language skill. Language skill. There are 4 skills that follow, namely speaking, listening, writing, reading. When communication with other people, we must use good language in order we can invite and give influence to goodness. 4. We must when we are communication, we need interaction. It is same with our body. Our hand will not be able to move without other from the brain. The brain controls our system in the body. 5. In sport competition, both nationally and internationally, in communication, good communication is needed to create an honest skill. 6. Civic to knowing each other, we have to understand person character because Indonesian nation order consists of various ethnic and culture. Bineka Tunggal Ika, different but still one. Berbeda-beda tetapi tetap satu jiwa. Thank you, ma'am. The presentation my project. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I will give you one question. How do you can communicate well with your friend at school?
Speaking politely, speaking respect. Talking to friends. Speaking loudly.
Okay, good job.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Acaranya di rumah. Di rumah atau di masjid? Oh, di masjid. Sendirian. Berangkatnya sendiri.
Tapi kan dari ininya.
Dekat kan masjidnya sama.
Kalau
Iya.
betul dia saya tuh ya.
Peserta berikutnya nomor absen 6 Arsyad Yukina Rorsari Utama.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi session about in the first semester. The topic about the importance of communication was an era of global diversity related with mathematics subject. In math, there is number. Example, 2 by 2 and 4. The result is objective. When we communicate, it must be clear and honest. And after to be accepted by others. Related with sport subject. In sport, there are several sports that are recommended both nationally and internationally. Example, sea game event. In competition, good communication and honesty are needed. Akun ajuran Azariat, verse 49, we are recommended to get to know others. In communicate, we must speak polite and respect others. Related with language subject. In dialogue, there are several language skills: speaking, listening, writing, and reading. When communicating, we must use clear, language so that other people understand. Related with IPA subject, we are study about part of body. Each part of body has its own function and mutual communicate, so can work together when communicating, we must heart, mind, and action. Related with civic subject. As a motto of Indonesia Nation, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, we must always maintain communicate with others without different ethnic and treat to reach the era of global diversity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Arisa, I want to ask one question. I want to give you one question about your project. Yeah. How do you communicate well with friends in the school? Jessie, you want to add again? If you speak with friends, we can mock them or no? Don't mock, yeah, don't mock our friends. Okay, good. So you answer, speak politely, and then be honest, okay, and then don't mock your friend. Okay, thank you, Anissa, for your presentation. Good job. You can post your presentation secretly.
Ini sebelumnya setengah 4 aja.
Mas nggak mau di sini. Ya Mbak ya, nggak boleh sering-sering pakai gadget Mbak ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends. Let me introduce myself. My complete name is Al-Fatih Asraf Reswidiano. You can call me Al-Fatih. I'm 7 years old. I'm from 1SCP6. Today I want to presentation about my project. Effort to strengthen communication toward an era of global diversity. In mathematics, we learn number 2 plus 2 equals 4. It is absolute truth. To be honest, trustworthy, introspective, will easy, quick, communicate effectively with others. In sport, we learn game. There are national and international sport competitions. For example, fun and sweet games. Good communication is needed to create an honest game. In religion, we learn polite to speak and behavior. The ways to create effective communication are speaking politely, respecting and listening the opinion of others. Effective communication will be sending brotherhood and harmony. In Surah Al-Fatihah was explained in Arabic and Arabic. Allah is the most gracious and the most merciful. So we must have good communication. In English, we learn about dialogue. In dialogue, there are several language skills that follow normally: speaking, listening, writing, reading. When communication, we must speak in a language. That is easily understood by our interlocutors. When our language can be understood, it is easy for us to invite and influence other people to work hand in hand. In IPAS, we learn part of body. Our hand can move, leg can stand up, mouth can speak because of brain as control center. In our bodies, there is active communication. Communication is interaction between one molecule that generates system. Coherent communication, there is synergy and harmonious movement. Each one is driven by a balanced movement pattern, so global diversity emerges. In civic, we learn about diversity of characteristics. Diversity is everything that differentiates one person from another. With our differences, we must respect each other. In order to always create good communication and live in harmony. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You can show your presentation.
Yes.
Very good. Good job. I will give you 3 questions for Mas Al-Fatih and you can answer one by one. Are you ready for the first question? The first question is, how do you communicate well with your friend at school?
Use English language, respectful, polite, listening.
Okay, very good. The next question for Mas Al-Fatih is, how do you behave if you have friends with different religion?
Loving, loving, polite, respectful.
Okay. The last question for Mas Al-Fatih. How do you effort to understand the characteristics of the different friends?
Love other. Respect each other.
Okay. presentation today. You do it well. Good job. I like the presentation. Be more better in the next semester. Yeah. I like your confidence. Like your showing. And I very good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah Almirena Kamal Zaman from 2SP3. With us with 5 senses, but to it as well. In English wishes, we need 1. Ears for hearing in listening activity. 2. Eyes for seeing in reading activity. 3. Mouth for talking in speaking activity. 4.
Please, one question from Anissa. Listen. You say that in language we have 5 senses. One of them is mouth. We get mouth for speaking good things. Do you think that screaming is a good thing?
Like speak, I could speak and others.
I mean,
And 2. Decide criticism and advice. 3. Apologize and forgive. 4. Don't There are 2 types of ecosystem, biotic or living things and abiotic or non-living things. Both biotic and abiotic may have an interact or a symbiosis, like relabiotic with ecosystem components.
How are the ways to become the humble people in the class?
Criticism with and advice.
Okay, and the last one.
How are the ways in order we are become humble people?
Security when need people. As long as what is said is not true, then we must stay away from it. This is the principle of amar ma'ruf nahi munkar. 3. The person who is sami'na wa ata'na really because of Allah Ta'ala. Conclusion is from the regulations. This has to have mirrors to anyone, especially when communicating. Because a good relationship starts with good communication. Hello, Nafi and my beloved mom. My name is Atira Clarita Kuncoro. You can call me Atira. I from 2ICP4. Conclusion is from religion lesson teach us to have good manner, especially when communication, because good relationships start with good communication. Hello, my name is Abdul Rahman Al-Rashid. You can call me Rashid. I am from 2ICP3. My attendance is 3. Now I will present about my project. Math, language, religion, math. Because how many people are? 1. Smile. 2. Want to recite criticism and advice. 3. Dare to apologize and forgive. 4. Communication can strengthen the bond of brotherhood around the world. 4. Skin for touching has fighting ability. Human is complex created covalent with skin. The skin has many sensory to feel, structure, to hold, to bring, and to protect the body. Humble people are 1. Keep smile. 2. Recite criticism and advice. 3. Dare to apologize and forgive. 4. Don't meddle in other people's business. 5. Gentle and full of self-control. 6. About to communicate well. The reason to communicate you can take from Surah Al-Ahzab are 1. Whatever is said by anyone, as long as it is true, then we must follow. It is the expression undur ma'kola wa lantur man kola. 2. As long as by anyone it is not true, then we must. The conclusion: if we always use good communication, we can influence another to be kind, and it can be multiplied. The truth is this part. 1. Gerakan lokomotor adalah gerakan yang menyebabkan terjadinya perpindahan tempat pada tubuh dari satu tempat ke tempat lainnya. Contoh gerak lokomotor adalah berlari, berjalan, dan melompat. Gerak lokomotor adalah aktivitas yang menggerakkan tubuh pada porosnya atau pelaku yang tidak berpindah tempat. 3. Gerak manipulatif adalah dasar seseorang yang melakukan. Contohnya seperti melempar benda dan menendang. 1. Keep smile. 2. Say greeting when meet people. 3. Put this. There is material about Surah Al-Ahzab. The lesson that we can take from Surah Al-Ahzab are arithmetic operation, where each number has solid answer. In society, we must build good communication with others. When have good relationship with others, it can be used to split goodness in society. Conclusion: if we always build good communication, we can influence another to begin, and it can be multiplied. Is gifted with 5 senses. The senses are interconnected and correlated as a function of human body as a whole. Number 1. Ears for hearing and has listening ability. Number 2. Eyes for seeing has reading ability. Number 3. Mouth for talking has speaking ability. Number 4. Skin for touching has breathing ability.
Lesson. One of it in mathematics. What is the material in mathematics?
If we always build good communication, we can influence another to be kind, and it can be multiplied.
Oh, okay. Good job, Mbak Rahel. You can end the presentation.
Manipulatif adalah gerak dasar seseorang yang dilakukan dengan menggunakan objek atau alat contohnya seperti melempar benda, stands for goodness.